Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using the Styrofoam cone and pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I painted the pumpkin with 2 coats of hazelnut and ivory chalk paints mixed together, about 2 parts of the hazelnut and 1 part the ivory chalk paint. I painted about 3/4 of the cone and then cut off that tip part and touched up the top where I had cut it. This will be covered, but the burlap, you'll be able to see through it, so I wanted to make sure you didn't see any of that white. I then cut a piece of the burlap ribbon. It's about 2.5 inches. You can use whatever size you have. I hot glued it to the top and then cut slits around the edges and hot glued that down onto the cone. I then took more of the burlap ribbon and wrapped that around the cone until it was completely covered. For the bottom, I wanted a more ruffled look, so I take the burlap ribbon and I hot glue it into place, and then I just keep folding the burlap onto itself to give it the ruffled effect all the way around. And then I move back onto the pumpkin, and I am penciling on my design first because I tend to always mess up if I try to do the paint pens first. So I make some teardrop shapes for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and then a squiggly line for the mouth. I go back in with my Posca paint pens and I just go along the outline I drew and then fill those in. Black for the eyes and the mouth. After I draw the mouth on, I make some X's on the ends of the mouth and then throughout the mouth, just to make it look like stitching. And then take the orange paint marker and fill in the nose. I do erase the pencil marks first because you'll be able to see through that orange color. So I just erase those so you can only see it lightly. In the eyes and the nose, I did give them 2 coats. I then go back in with the white paint marker, make a couple of dots in the eyes, and then fill in the left side of the eye. I go over the nose and do some lines for the stitching, and then just take my scissors and cut off the stem on the pumpkin. I take this little flower I got off a pick from Dollar Tree and hot glue that to the front left corner or front left side of the hat, and then hot glue that onto my pumpkin. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.